What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Honda Fit remote key fob. This Honda Fit key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use this key to open the key fob case. I actually prefer to do this with a flathead screwdriver, but I'll show you how to do it with just the key in case you don't have a screwdriver handy. So taking a look at the bottom of this key fob, we see there's these two plastic pieces right here. They kind of look like the letter E. What I'm going to do is take my key and place it kind of in between those two pieces and then push down a little bit like with my thumb. And as I'm pushing down a little bit, I'm going to twist the key like this and pry those two halves apart. And I have this tipped up for a better camera angle, but while you're doing this, try to keep your buttons facing down. It'll help keep them in place. And then we'll take that back cover off and we can see our battery right here. And for this part, again, it's a little bit easier to do this with a flathead screwdriver, but I'm going to take my key and just get under the edge of the battery and carefully pop it up out of that holder. Then once it's popped up a little bit, you can grab it with your fingers. Get our old battery out, and then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And then make sure everything's back in place. Your board's sitting in there, your buttons haven't popped out of place at all. If they have, get them back where they need to be. Then we can snap the two halves of the case back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.